Very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Doing great at home, isn't it? Had your breakfast, children? Everybody had your breakfast? Yes, ma'am. With full energy, we are going to start the today's revision section. Okay? All of you, welcome to Early Foundation International School. Actually, children, for LKG, yesterday I was completed the revision for English, right? Yes, children, tell me now, all of you please open your mouth and say, have you doing revision for the test? Are you ready for the first assessment? Are you ready, children? See, from next week, from next Monday, you are going to write the first assessment FA1 test, okay? So, prepare yourself, practice every day, children. What the syllabus has mentioned by your teacher, you have to revise according to that, okay? Be prepared for the assessment. I will give you the time for the assessment. The limited, which time has given by the teacher, by that limited time only, you have to complete your test, okay? Yes, children. Today's revision is all about the math subject, okay? All about math subject. Yes, before start the class, we'll see about the today's day and the day. What is the today's day? Today's date is 01. So, we are going to enter the new month, which means the month name is September. It is the 9th month in the year. Okay? 2021. Wednesday. 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 And your class is LKG. This is your math revision class. Isn't it? Yes, children. Please tell me which is the first lesson in your math subject. Which is the first lesson? We have learned about the qualities, right? We have learned about the qualities in that lesson. What is the lesson name? The lesson name is comparing qualities, okay? Comparing qualities. Tell me now, how we are comparing the object which their quality, not only object, things or humans, everybody, how we are comparing to the measurement, okay? We are measuring according to the sizes, according to the length, isn't it? Yes, children, we are measuring. Yes, in that lesson, what are the qualities we have learned? What are the qualities has been taught by your teacher? Please tell me. We have learned about big and small, right? We have learned about big and small. Take your math book, page number 3, right? In page number 3, comparing qualities, big and small. Point to the pictures in each set. Say which object is big and which object is small. Okay? If the question is you have to circle only big object, what you should do? The two objects has been given. You have to circle only the big object. If the question is you have to circle only small object, you have to circle the only small object which has been given in the book. Clear? Yes, children. Here in all the rows there are two objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? There are 6 rows has been given. In each row you have to find out which object is big, also which object is small. Yes, children. I will revise one more time. Please look at the video carefully. Listen what ma'am is revising. Okay? Yes. See? This is big. Big, small. Why we are telling us small? Because compared to this This is small in size. How we are comparing with the sizes, right? Next, there are two boxes. There are two boxes. One is big, one more is small. Yes. Why we are telling as a big? Because compared to this object, this is big in size. Okay. So big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. First you have to read the question properly. Try to read the question, understand the question, what has been given in the question, then try to write the answer. Okay. I will give you 1 hour of the time for the assessment. You have to go through the question paper, read the question, try to understand the question. If you have any doubts, your parents will guide you, but you have to write the test without seeing your textbook. Okay, you have to write by yourself. For that, you have to practice now itself. Okay? Yes, children. Next quality is same big and small. Spot big and small object. In the same way, questions will be given in your question paper. You have to read. What is the question? Spot big and small object. You have to spot the object. Circle the big ball. So what you have to do? You have to circle only the big ball. Okay. Next, circle the small apple. What is the question? Read it properly. Circle the small apple. Read the letter S-M-A-L-L. Small. So you have to circle the only small object. Clear? Yes, children. Next, circle the small jar. What do you have to do? You have to find out the small jar in this tube and circle the object which is small in the size. Clear? Next, circle the big lamp. B-I-G, big. So, in these two lamps, which is big in size? The green one, right? So, you have to circle the correct object. Right? Matching activity. Next will be the matching activity. Do you know about this, right? What is matching? The same objects in the same picture. Okay, that same image will be given, but the size is different. Are you able to see? See, this is small, this is big. This is small, this is big. This is big and this is small. But the pictures are same. So you have to match with the correct object. Okay, this is also one more activity. Turn your next page. Full and empty. We have explained thoroughly in our previous classes. This is just a revision class. This is the revision for your FA1 assessment. Okay. So, please listen carefully. Full and empty. Look at the picture. Some of these are empty and some are full. Okay. What is empty, children? I have taught you in your previous class, right? What is empty? Empty means nothing. Okay. See zero. See nothing in it. But full means it's filled with something. Okay. See empty, full. Empty, full. Clear? Next. Mark full and empty objects. You have to read the question. Look at the picture. Tick the objects which are full and cross the objects which are empty. So you have to tick for the full object. First we will find out the full object. What are the full things are there? See, the basket filled with an apple. So you have to tick under the box because the question is you have to tick the object which are full. Next will be the fridge. It's full with cake, vegetables, fruit. So you have to tick, fill. Okay. Next, dustbin. See, it's filled with the garbage. So you have to tick. What about empty? For empty, you have to put cross mark. The box is empty or filled? The box is empty, right? Nothing in it. So you have to put cross mark. Also a bowl. Something is inside? No, it is empty. You have to put cross mark. Next we'll move to the glass. Mud glass. I think it is mud glass. Anything is inside? No. Which means it is empty. Okay. So you have to put the cross mark. Okay. Next quality is thick and thin. Okay. Point to the pictures. Say which object is thick and which object is thin. Okay. See the objects. Do you have any confusion between thick and thin, children? If you have, please listen the video carefully. Again, ma'am is going to revise this lesson. Okay. See the carrot. There are two carrots. But what is the difference between these two carrots? The size. How, like this only we are comparing the object. See, compared to this carrot, this is thin. Okay, thin, thick, thin, thick. See the candles. There are two candles. What about this? This is thick. Okay, thick. Thus in size it is thick. Compared to this is thin. Thick, thin, thick, thin. See the brushes. You can see the brushes. Also you can see the paint line also. This is thick. This will be thin. Okay. Next. Mark thin object. You have to mark only thin object. See, two pencils, two paint brushes, two ropes. In these three rows, we have completed the homeworks also, right? This is your revision part. Again, you have to take your book, read and understand what it is. Okay? Yes, mark thin object. Two pencils are there. In this two pencil, which is thin? Which one is thin in size? This is thin. What about these two? In these two object, which is thin? This is thin, right? So you have to tick only the thin object. Okay? Next, the next quality is trace and color thick object. See, I have drawn something on the board. It is called tracing. The dots will be given. You have to trace on the dots. Okay? In the same way, read the question here. Trace and color thick object. Which means you have to find out the thick object first. Then trace on the object. Then color the object. Okay, so you have to do totally three things, which means first you have to find out the thick object, then trace on the object, then you have to color on the object. So totally three activities you have to do for this. See children, these and all already we have done. Okay, just I am revising. In the same way, you have to open your book, look at the book, understand what it is, then try to do the activities in your assessment. Okay? Yes. Turn your next page. Tall and short. See? Point to the pictures. Say which object is tall and which object is short. In previous classes, I have shown the examples also, right? For tall and short. Look at the pictures, children. See, this building is tall. This is short. Compared to this is short. Okay? Tall, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Okay? Next. Page number 12. Find the tall ladder. Okay? There will be two ladders has been given. You have to find out the tall ladder. Okay? This is two buildings actually. This is two ladders. Which is tall in these two children? You have find out the taller one and tick under the picture. Clear? Yes. Next will be mark tall and short objects. Tick the objects which are tall and cross the objects which are short. So you have to tick the object which is in tall and you have to put cross mark for the short object. See children, these are the things we have already completed. So you have to, don't try, erase and write it again, okay? You have to read, you have to prepare yourself. If you need to draw, you can practice in your rough notebook, okay? Turn your next page. See, long and short. What concept we have revised before? Tall and short. Now, long and short, okay? Long, short. Long, short. Long, short. Next, find the short object. There will be the two objects. You have to find out only the short object. Okay? Which is short in this two? See, this is short. Okay? Turn your next page. Next quality is heavy and light. Okay? How we are measuring the object according to the weight. Okay? Heavy and light. Mark the heavy objects. See, page number 18. Circle the heavy object in each set. This activity, this work also we have completed in your previous section. You have to revise. You have to revise yourself for the assessment. Watermelon and flower. In this two, which is heavy, the watermelon is heavy. Okay, the flower is light. Okay, please read the picture's name. Then only you are able to understand the concept. Next will be find heavy and light object. Which object is heavy in this two? Which object is heavy in this two? The TV is heavy, right? Next, which object is light? One side is cooker, it filled with something, and this is vision. So which is in light weight? This is in light, right? Objects which is heavy, the table and the key. Which is heavy, children? The table is heavier than key, right? Next, which object is light? Balloon and guitar. Which is in light weight? The balloon has no weight, right? Yes. Next will be the numbers. 1 to 10. Practice the numbers 1 to 10. So children, you have to revise. You have to revise the lesson which has been mentioned in the portions. So first lesson you have to complete properly. Okay? You have to revise it properly. And numbers, you have to practice the numbers 1 to 10. Okay? Now look at the board, children. See, in this format only, we will give you the Yes, children.